RX-8 window gear replacement. Symptoms: leave the window partway down. Tools required: a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, pry tool, pick, 10mm socket, and a rubber mallet. Open the door. Pry the trim piece / tweeter off from the top corner. Carefully hang it over the edge of the door. Use your pick to carefully pry the cover of the screw open. Use your number 2 Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw, then pull the door handle open and carefully slide the cover out. Again, use your number 2 Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove this hidden screw under the handle. Gently pinch the window control, squeeze your pry tool underneath, use that to help pry up the window control so you can remove it. Remove from the bottom first. The first connector is fairly easy, just squeeze and remove. The second connector is a little bit tricky. The squeeze tab is actually in between the 2 teeth. Again, with your number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw. Next, remove the door panel clips by carefully reaching around the bottom and side edges with your pry tool. Next, pull the door panel back slightly, look around the bottom corner, and then carefully remove your convenience light. It's just a twist to unlock. Mine has been messed up with a bunch of adhesive. Now carefully wiggle and lift up your door panel. There will be one additional wire connector you need to remove up near the top left edge. It will have the same type of connector as the smaller connector from the window switch. Now grab your 10mm socket and ratchet and remove the 3 bolts from the window motor. There will be another connector to remove. There are 2 small clips here. You can try to flex them open or you can just break them. It won't make much of a difference in the end because the bolts hold the assembly together. Bop the gear drive with a mallet to disassemble the assembly. Clean up any gear teeth that have been broken off, and make sure the assembly is free from other bits. The crown pins on this gear engage with the holes on the gear below. Disassemble the main gear stack. The teeth breaking off of this gear are the main cause of the failure. Reassemble the main gear stack as shown. Make sure these 3 protrusions engage with the 3 slots in the rubber. Reinstall the motor assembly on the door, reinstall the door panel, and test. Thanks for watching.